So today I'll be answering your question if it is possible to delete your Threads account without deleting your Instagram account. So let's head on over to Threads and let's see what we have here. So we're on our profile, and if we select the three lines in the upper right corner, we have a few options. We could select account. Now if we select account, we have the options at the top here that says take a break or deactivate profile. If we select deactivate profile, we are greeted with this prompt. Are you sure you want to deactivate your Threads profile? Deactivating your profile is temporary. Your profile, Threads, replies, and likes will be hidden until you reactivate by logging back in. So simply by logging in, you will be reactivating your profile. And if we should click on deactivate, we could deactivate or set reminders of when to join. Now, there is no information here about deleting our profile permanently. Now, there was actually an article released that in order to delete your profile on Thread, you would have to delete your Instagram account. And I find that really weird, and that shouldn't be the case. You should be able to delete your Threads profile even if you um, have an Instagram account, you could just delete the threads and keep your Instagram account safe. But if you want to delete your threads account and you're over with it, and you want to delete your Instagram account as well, you need to click on the three lines on your profile and click on settings and privacy. This is on Instagram. Click on account center, look for personal details. Now you'd need to select account ownership and control. Now under account ownership and control, you'd need to select deactivation or deletion. Then you'd need to select the profile which you'd want to delete. Now it could be Facebook, which we have here, Instagram, or another Instagram account. So let's select Instagram. And as you can see here, we have the option to deactivate or delete the account. Now doing this will automatically delete our threads profile. So if this is the route you want to take, and after you've pressed continue, you need to verify with your password. So if this is the route that you want to take, feel free to do so. But at this point in time, that is the only necessary or only means necessary to be able to delete your Threads profile. But I mean, Threads, you could always uninstall the app and not use it if that's an issue on your end. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the rest of videos I have on Threads. I'll be doing a side-by-side comparison with Twitter to see what the similarities and the differences are. So stick around for that. And that's it for today's video. Hacker 007 out.